But there y'all have it, man. I know I didn't do too much talking in this video today, but it was just mainly for that purpose alone, for y'all to actually hear this specific setup I have on the Q. So right now, the performance mods so far I have on this car right now are the Burke resonated test pipes, leading to the full ARC 3.0T non-resonated grip exhaust. Link will all be in the description down below of all the parts I have for that sound, that setup, that particular sound and setup. But again, stock injectors, stock, basically everything is sells as stock. I am finally tuned now. Long story short with that one, tuner said that there's something wrong with my top end power. It's not pulling enough power that it should be. So I'm gonna do a little troubleshooting. I hit my mechanic up. He said that he really thinks there's gonna be the mass airflow sensor, or the MAF sensors. So what I'm gonna try to do within this week here is use some dedicated MAF cleaner. Clean those up, let it sit dry, air dry it out, and then pop those back in, and then do a little run and see how she feels after that. But for the most part, she's running good. We got flames and stuff now too. No, I didn't do too much of the popping of the flames. I'm still trying to learn that map. I don't want to, you know, do it too much on this car. I'm gonna do it here and there. I'm not gonna be like some of these people that just popping flames for 10 minutes straight. You know, that's not good for your engine. That's not gonna be good for your engine in the long run. You know, a couple pops here and there, that's all well and good. If you go out with your friends sometimes, you wanna, you know, pop your flame, show off a little bit, that's whatever. But I just got it to have a little more fun with the car. But again, it's a daily, so I'm trying to have a little fun with the car at the same time. But yeah, man, so and I actually am tuned on EcuTech, so I do everything. I can pull up everything on my phone. I can see how the car is running. The air to fuel ratios, the coolant temps, oil temps, everything that you think of, I could pull up on the app, which is pretty dope. Which actually is worth the investment, extra $200–300 in my opinion. So if you do get tuned, don't cheap out and just get the ability just to change the map through the steering wheel. Invest money if you want to know how your car is running. You know, get the full EcuTech Bluetooth dongle, and you can control everything from your phone. Another thing is too, if you don't do the Bluetooth app, every time you want to change a map, say like you're rolling, you're cruising, and someone trying you, or you know, someone roll up on you, stop hitting flames, or start doing the little pop, you know, the BMWs especially, when they start doing the little crackle pop thing, whatever they call it. If you wanna, you know, if you wanna flex a little bit, you can literally just swap it from your phone. But if you don't have it, and you only have the ability to switch maps between your steering wheel, you cannot do it while you're driving. Only the Bluetooth app is gonna allow you to do that while you're driving. You have to come to a complete stop, then go through the menu, the secret menu that they program into the ECU for you to change the map, and then you start driving, and then you can pop flames or whatever other tune you swap into. So again, recommend it. Just spend the extra money, get the Bluetooth dongle. I am tuned by RS Entropy. Martin Struck, very knowledgeable guy. Any questions, questions and concerns, he answers you very thoroughly. And he's a very cool, chill dude. So I will drop his link down, his Instagram too, down in the description below, as well as his website. But yeah, man, so he finally tuned. Y'all hearing how the exhaust sounding, nice crackle little pops. I'm gonna do another I'm gonna do more POV videos, because I think y'all like these POV videos a little better. So we're gonna hit those as well. And I just want to address something real quick. Earlier today, this morning, one of our fellow Infiniti, local Infiniti drivers, long story short, he got into a bad accident this morning. Guy was trying to turn basically trying to turn in front of him, trying to cross lanes, and he was coming in the opposite lane. I guess he didn't see him, or he driving too fast. I don't know what. I don't want to assume. I don't know what really going on until we actually know what's going on. But he hit the truck. The truck flipped. His car ended up on the side of the grass. Very bad condition, the car. I think the truck driver, they already confirmed that he has passed away. I think there was 3 fatalities. There was a couple other cars, I think, too, involved in the crash. But yeah, man, from what we know, he was actually in our group chat, but his little brother took his phone and started messaging us, updating us. He sent us a voice message saying that he was in the they were sending him to emergency surgery. So please, y'all, just, I know we're car people. I know sometimes we got heavy foot, sometimes we want to show off, sometimes do this, but there's a place, there's time and place for everything, man. And heavy traffic ain't in it. You know, heavy traffic, please just drive respectfully, you know, drive safely. There's no point in, you know, showing off in the middle of traffic. Like, I honestly don't know. People always try, especially when they see my car. All the car people, they start driving like dickheads when they see my car. I mean, guys, we could just chill. We could just literally just cruise and chill. We ain't gotta be driving like dickheads. See, that's why we got car people. We get a bad name because of stuff like that. So, you know, prayers to him and his family. I hope that wasn't the case though, but from what I've been reading, he said that he was clocking at least 110 in a 45. Guys, please just drive safe, man. Drive safe. I know we got heavy foot. I know we like the sound of our exhaust, but take down the back road if you want. Don't take it around people that, you know, just trying to, especially after the holidays, man. Yesterday was just Christmas, man. So, you know. But that's just a little ramble from me, man. I'm about to go hit this workout. And again, I hope homeboy's safe. Please, y'all be safe out there as well. Day after Christmas. I hope y'all had a good Christmas, man. You know, happy holidays. I know I didn't post a video right before Christmas, so happy belated Christmas to each and every one of y'all. Appreciate the love, that 900 subscribers that we just hit. We're that much close to 1,000 subscribers, man. And it's just up from here, man. So, you know, if y'all rocking with the content, if y'all rocking with the sound, if y'all rocking with the Q, how it looks, how it sounds, rocking with me, all that, go ahead, hit that subscription button, drop a comment, hit that like so we get pushed out to more people like you so we could grow this community. And yeah, man, with that being said, my name is Maha. Be safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.